theRigRat. Organizing lyrics on a Mac. This video was shot in January 2020. How do you do it? By using Alias. First, go to Finder. Select New Folder. Create a master folder named Master Lyrics, or whatever you prefer. Put all your lyric files into it. I create my lyric files in TextEdit, the app that comes with a MacBook. Create a folder inside or outside the master folder called Setlists, or call it whatever you want for whatever reason. Highlight a song from the Master Lyrics folder. Go to Finder, then File, then Make Alias, or hold Command and Option while dragging text files to a different folder. The arrow appears near the cursor as you drag the document. This method does not add the word alias to the end of the file name. I like to have the word alias in the alias file name. View your folder containing alias documents in the icon view by first clicking in the toolbar of the Finder window and select Show Items as icons. Now I recommend moving the icons in a vertical stack or column, putting your songs in the order of your preference, creating a list, because in icon view, you can shuffle things around and click and drag them into different orders. Now, highlight the file at the top of the column with the press of a spacebar. This will engage or utilize the function called Quick Look, the thing where you highlight a file and then hit the spacebar and it displays your file. Size your window to fill the screen. Then use the arrow keys up and down to move through the songs in the order you put them in. Sizing your window first seems to encourage the next icons, the next files, the next documents to be displayed in the same way, filling up the screen more. That's how I organize lyrics on a MacBook. Well, here's some other thoughts. I search and copy chords and lyrics off the internet. I open a new TextEdit file and paste chords and lyrics into the file. I highlight all and go to Format and select Make Plain Text. Then I go to Format and select Make Rich Text. By formatting all that was copied from the internet into plain text, it kind of cleans out unnecessary fonts, colors, links, and stuff. I also put the song title and key at the top of the text. This helps if sharing your display with another musician. I do my best to put chords above each lyric line and scrunch everything so every word and chord appears on the screen without having to scroll. Without scrolling. I like to highlight everything and use the font called Arial Narrow. That makes the font size fill the screen as much as possible. Instead of up and down arrows, you could use a hardwired or Bluetooth foot controller. I have used the Page Flip Dragonfly. Not long after purchasing it, the USB cord stopped working. Just as was warned in forums, I researched about the product before buying it. But the Bluetooth functions great and battery operated. There's a couple reasons why I indicate the preferred tempo of the song. I sometimes use a drum machine, but even when using a drummer, grouping songs by common tempos using aliases allows me to do a medley. The more non-stop songs means less dead air in between songs. When there's dead air, there's requests, which could have its downsides as well as upsides like tips. I have tried to hide my laptop at gigs. Currently, it's out in the open. Before computers, I used to use pencil and paper. I would also buy books with lyrics and chords. I do not read music. After computers arrived, I used a Mac. Time went by, and I thought, I don't want to bring an expensive laptop to a performance. So I tried using an iPad. I invested in a tablet mic stand holder. But at the time, that situation didn't allow me to edit text on the fly. Then I tried using a cheap Windows laptop, but too many times at a gig it would crash or run too slow. Now I have gone back to using a Mac laptop. It's reliable. You could use tags, but aliases work better because once the folder is open, you can shuffle and move files in the icon view. Just want to let you know that the changes you make to the text within the alias document is also made to the original document. You can make changes to the title of the alias document, but when you open it, it will display the original document name, the document that is not the alias. Also, when using the Quick Look function, you won't be able to edit the file. You'll have to exit Quick Look and actually open the file, be it an alias or the original document. That's it. Thanks for watching.